In this video, you'll learn how to schedule recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online so you can automate repetitive tasks and keep your bookkeeping consistent. Start by going to the New button in the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the list that appears, choose the type of transaction you want to repeat. This could be an invoice you send regularly, a routine deposit, or a recurring expense like rent or a subscription. Select the one that fits your needs. Now, fill out the transaction just like you normally would. Enter the customer or vendor, choose the correct accounts or products and services, add a description, and confirm the amount and any taxes. Focus on the details that will stay the same each time, such as the payee, category, and memo. If some details change occasionally, you can still create the template and adjust those parts later when needed. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom of the transaction window and click Make Recurring. This opens the recurring transaction template based on the information you just entered. Give the template a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Then set the interval by choosing how often the transaction should repeat, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or another schedule. Specify the exact timing, such as the day of the week or the date of the month. You can also set a start date and, if needed, an end date or number of occurrences. Take a moment to double-check the amounts, accounts, and any notes to ensure each future transaction will be recorded correctly. When everything is set, click Save Template. QuickBooks will now automatically create transactions based on your schedule and the details you provided. If you ever need to make changes or pause the schedule, you can return and edit the template at any time. That's how you schedule recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online and make your workflow more efficient and hands-off.